Today I'm unboxing and trying out this metal bird feeder that I was sent to try out. Inside of the box you receive the bird feeder, a seed tray, 2 clip-on water cups, a perch, and some hardware and chain to hang up or mount this bird feeder to your window. Once you slide and clip everything into place, it will look like this. And now it's time to try it out. It allows you to easily hang the feeder because of the chain and hook, and you can also suction cup it to your window so that you can watch birds from the inside of your home.